Hello people! Today we are going to have a look at an ABUS 8360 with a Trioving SEC core. 7 pins and some awesome bitting, which probably explains why I've never been able to pick this one. But that is a cool looking key. It does work fantastically well. And this is a very solid padlock. So let us see if we can get it picked. And sorry for dropping the key on the microphone there. To the people who have now gone deaf, I will try and get somebody to sign language the rest of this video. Anyway, let's see if we can pick this guy. I have this is the second attempt on video, and I had some let's call them warm-up attempts. Basically just finding the right pick that fits, and I found that the easiest way to get a fault set is a rake. And there we go. A little bit of a fault set there. And we can start poking. What I've also discovered is you can poke the pins for a certain time. And then something oversets and you basically just have to restart. Like the feeling now. I obviously pushed something too far because all the feedback goes away. Either that or I don't know what's going on in here at all and I'm just not doing it right. But in theory now we should have like that counter rotation on pin 1, so we can sort of set him into place and then poke pin 2 and we get our fault set back, and then pin 3 gives counter rotation so we can set him, and let's now go back to pin 1 and 2. And pin 1 is still giving feedback, so let's poke him a bit further and then go pin 2 and then go pin 3. And pin 3 has now, pin 3 is set, he's solid, I think. So back to pin 1, still giving counter rotation. And there's a tiny little click, I don't know if I recorded that. But I sort of lose my fault set on pin 1 and then I poke pin 2. But he also feels solid now. No, there you go. So back to pin 1, he is set now. Pin 2 is set. Pin 3 is set. First time we are now on pin 4 and he gives a little bit of counter rotation. So that sounds like oversetting. Now the first pins are mushy again, and I think we are done. I haven't found any way to recover from this position here. Something is now overset and it does not come down again, and the lock has completely stopped giving feedback. Way, I got a fault set back. And now that was pin 1 and he still wants to play. Pin 3. I'm just so afraid of, can I turn this a little bit so you don't get that shadow? I'm so afraid of oversetting something in here because it is so easy, you don't even notice it and everything is just gone. And we're back to everything being mushy again. And what do you know? We have an open on the A-Bus 8360 with a Trioving 7-pin SEC core. Should we take it apart? I guess we should. So, oops, we need to move Mr. Camera. There we go. My old trusty screwdriver. Well, this thing is full of gunk. It's a gunkomatic lock. I don't need to take that off. I just need to take that clip off. Well, the key is for this lock, so it should fit. There we go. The tail feathers. And we do have the key. So, and to not be completely idiotic like the last time I dismantled the lock, let's use a shim this time. That should do it. Follower. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. Anything fun going on here? Not really. Let's get one of these guys up here. And let's give you a better view. There we are. So, standard, standard, standard. If I say standard one more time, would you guys turn off the video? I see a problem here. My pinning tray isn't big enough. Okay, let's do it a little bit different then. Let's have a look at the core first. It's out of focus. Nothing special in there. But let's get some tweezers and let's actually move these pins to where they will actually fit. So, and let's have a look inside here. And for some reason my other camera stopped recording now. Memory card issues, thank you. Just what I needed. Anyway, let's see what's going on in here. So we have a barrel pin, barrel spool on pin 1. Whoops. Same thing, barrel. Another barrel. Oh, yeah, I know, I'm retarded. I was wondering why the hell aren't these pins popping out? Yeah, remove this shim genius. But it looks like they're all barrel pin spools anyway. No, we have a master wafer. Or an extremely small pin. Yes, he goes there. And he goes there. And there's only one left. I was wrong. Okay, I messed this up. Or maybe they go like that, who knows? I have too many pins here. What the hell? Okay, this is the freck up of the century. I have no idea what's going on here, guys. But we have springs. Don't want to come out because they're full of oil and gunk and shit. Anyway, that's what's going on in here. Sorry for messing it up a little bit. But we have mostly barrel spools, and then we have two standard thingies with possibly some master wafering going on. But looking at the key, it is, I don't know if you can see that, but it has some sort of branding going on there, which should indicate a master key. Yeah, it's a system key. Anyway, that's about it, guys. So see you next time. Bye.